Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what are generics in C Sharp. Generics in C Sharp allow you to define classes, methods, interfaces and delegates with a placeholder for the data type they store or operate on. Instead of writing code to handle specific types, generics enables you to write type safe, a reusable code that works with any data type, without losing the benefits of type safety and performance. Key benefits of generics. The first point is type safety. Generics ensure type safety at compile time, meaning you can't accidentally use an incompatible type. Performance. Generics reduce the need for boxing and unboxing of value types, which improves performance. Code reusability. With generics, you can write classes and methods that work with any data type, making your code more reusable. How generic works in C Sharp? Generic types. A generic type is defined with a placeholder for the data type, often represented as a T. This is the placeholder. And generic methods. A method can also be made generic by defining the type parameter at the method level. First, we will see that this is a generic class. We have a class name called my class with angle bracket. We have a T. This is called placeholder. We have a private field. The field name is data. The type is T. And we have a one constructor which is a my class, and it has a parameter T value, and the data, the parameter value is going to be assigned to this data. And we have a get method which get data, the type is T placeholder, return the data. Now we will see that in code. See, this is called generic class. See, look at here, we have a class name called box with T type, T placeholder. We have a private field with item, the type is T, and we have a one method here which is public void add method, which it takes parameter T value and item equal to assign the value. This is the add method, and this is the get method. Public T get, when this method called, the T type will get returned. Now we have a main method here. Look at here, using the box with an int. Now I have created a object for class box which the type is int. Look at here, the box, it's a class name, and the T placeholder which is I have given as a int. And now I have created an object name is, or instance name is, int box dot add. I have added 1 2 3 because the data type is int. And when we run this program, console dot write line int box dot get, it will print output is 123. And using box with a string data type. Now, so the same class box which I have taken as a string data type, the object name is string box. Now string box dot add, I have added with the hello generics, and when we print with console dot write line string box dot get, the output is hello generics. Now we will see that in output, console dot console dot console dot read key, the same output of 123 and the output of hello generics will print over on console board. See, look at here, 123 and hello generic. Now we'll go with the next one. Here we have a generic method. See, look at here. We have a method name called print, which is a return type is void. The access modifier is public, and the angle bracket we have we have given as a t as a placeholder, and it takes parameter type t and the value. And console.writeLine, it will save the value as a print of value. And the generic interface, you look at here, public interface my interface placeholder is t, and we have a one method that is a t get value. Now we will see a method in look at here, a generic method. See, whatever we have seen in the image, see a generic method to swap two values. We have a one method public static void a swap, which I have given as a swap, and the type is t placeholder ref t, and the name is a, and ref t is a b, and t is a temp is a temporary store, and we have assigned with a, and a equal to b equal to temp. Now in the main method I have given a int x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10, and console.writeLine before swap the value will get print with x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, and call it generic method with int. See this method, now we'll call with this method swap with ref x and ref y. So in the x value, and the output is in the x value, so y value will go over here and y x value will get over here. Now we'll run and see that output console.read key. Okay, now I'm saving here. See the swapping value. See, before swap x is equal to 5 and y equal to 10. After swap x equal to 10, y equal to 5. Because there is a type safety also there, we can use with a swap. Now I'm excluding this class, and again I'm adding this class into. Now we'll go with the next one. Why use generics? The first point is type safety. Generics provide compile time checking, ensuring that only the appropriate types are used. This helps catch errors early and prevents runtime errors. Without generics, you would need to use object types, which would require explicit casting and could lead to runtime exception if the wrong type was used. Look at here, without generics, we need to declare like this public void print. See here in the print we have a previous, with generic we have a t placeholder, but without, just we have to pass object value console.writeLine, the value will get print. With generics public void print we have assigned as a, see we have assigned angle bracket with t, that is placeholder, so it will check type safe, then the t value get printed. And the second point is code reusability. Generics allow you to write a single class method that can handle any type, making your code more reusable. For example, the list t class can store any type of object, list int, list string, list custom class, reducing the need for writing multiple versions of the same class. And now the third point is performance. Generics avoid the need for unboxing when working with value types. Boxing occurs when a value type is treated as an object type, which involves converting the value type to an object. This adds performance overhead. Generics eliminate this issue as they maintain type integrity and flexibility. You can use generics in many scenarios such as classes, methods, collections, and even interfaces. This makes your code more flexible and capable of handling various scenarios without changing the core logic. Now we will see the total example in the code. Here we have a class name called generic list example. In the main method, I have created a list of int numbers. The variable name is numbers. Numbers.add I have added 1, and the next I have added 2, and the next I have added 3. And for each I am going to print that these numbers, the output is 1, 2, 3. Creating a list of strings with the same one. I have changed only the data type. See, in the words.add I have added hello, and words.add I have added world, and display the list of members using for each words in word console.writeline word. Output is hello world. Now we will run the program and see the output. Console.read key. See, look at here. The printing of 1, 2, 3 and hello world. These two methods 1, 2, 3 and hello world get printed. So friends, this is called generics. Thank you.